Global internet connectivity is a necessity for everyone, and satellite company Inmarsat has deployed a global network that's covering 99.9% of the world from orbit. And Rupert, what do you think are the most exciting new applications you're seeing on the Inmarsat network?
Well, what's exciting about where we are today is we've got two networks, and they do very, very different things. We've got a super fast broadband network that will be delivering gigabits per second to an individual anywhere in the world within the next couple of years, currently at 100 megabits per second. And then we've got an IoT network in a different frequency band that is able to put a $1 antenna inside the shark fin of a car and deliver services to that. The most exciting application for me, because it's part of our history, is the way we're helping the maritime industry digitalize. That's keeping crews safe and providing them with connectivity to home, but it's reinventing the bridge and all of the systems and subsystems on a ship to make that ship greener, leaner, more efficient, run better business models. But probably the single most profound thing we can do with that industry is lower its carbon emissions. So the maritime industry today, if it were a country, would be the 6th largest carbon footprint in the world. But also the general automation of the farm to create the farm of the future will drive higher crop yields, more efficient yields. And this is, as a planet, we have to triple food production just to feed ourselves over the next 50 years. So these technological evolutions that can be supported by real-time connectivity are going to be critical. Smart location can increase crop yields, so satellites can be used for precision sowing of seeds and so on. Then smart irrigation can get the water in the right place at the right time automatically. For example, we're deploying smart irrigation throughout Australia at the moment to support livestock. So farmers don't have to drive thousands of miles every week just to check on water levels. Smart irrigation can do it for them.
Well, and one of the things that you talk about that's exciting is coverage, because of the global coverage, applications in remote areas, the Arctic, exploration, mining. These are exciting applications.
They are, and the other thing that global coverage does is it brings applications from the developed world easily into the developing world. If you're looking at doing a farm project in Rwanda, for example, the fact that merely by connecting to the internet, you can get access to everything the developed world has in North America or Europe is transformational, and satellite can bring that to you. Smart irrigation, smart plantations, farm bots are all beginning to proliferate and transform the business of agriculture.
One of the exciting growth areas is in this smart, sustainable city industry. How does Inmarsat enable smart city development?
The real revolution is the dramatic urbanization of life on this planet. The massive movement of people in the developing world to next generation cities that have yet to be built. You know, we've got a test program running with Rwanda in the middle of Africa. The capital of Rwanda, Kigali, has 1.7 million people in it. It's a small city, but in order to deal just in that small country with the urbanization of their population, they need to build another 10 Kigalis in the next 15 years. When you're thinking about building a city from the ground up, how would you build it today? The answer is you'd embed connectivity in everything. Smart sewerage, smart roads, smart transportation, smart energy, smart people connected to knowledge hubs and educational systems that tie into all of that. So a very, very exciting vision about what a future city-state will look like.